Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. So congratulations to all those who are shortlisted for NTRO Scientist Bay interview. Now the last process of interview is there. Already through gate score they shortlisted for CBT. After CBT interview is there. Okay. Now the big question is how you can prepare for NTRO Scientist Bay interview. What is the pattern of interview? What you can expect? Everything I will discuss in this video. Also already we started our IGP, that is interview guidance program for NTRO Scientist B, which is most powerful. Last year also I have given lots of selections in NTRO technical assistant post, and now I am ready to give selection for Scientist B post, which is group A gazetted post in government of India. Okay. So now for IGP, how much seats I am taking? So for electronics I am taking total 8 candidate, and for computer science I am taking total 8 candidate. So total 16 candidate I am taking for Scientist B post. Okay. If you are watching this video after registration completed, then you can watch this video, and last part of this video, that is quick guide. From that also you can prepare for the interview. Also for all MSP aspirant, it is part of your MSP. Okay. So no need to join IGP separately. Just message team and do register yourself. Okay, now quickly those who want to join IGP, okay, details I will share with you that what is IGP. So definitely mock interviews will be there. Without mock interview, there is no interview guidance program, right? Now for NTRO, basically what I will do, those who are having interview on 9, 10 and 11, okay, total mock interview will be 1. So only one mock interview will be there, okay. And those who are having 12, 13 and 14 interview date, तो उनका जो है टोटल मॉक इंटरव्यूज होंगे 2, ठीक है अभी. ओके. Now suppose if you want to join and if you have interview on 9, 10, 11, then the content of these 2 mocks I will add in this one only. Okay, so combinedly we will do 1 mock interview because already time is less. Today it's I guess 7 March. Okay, so tomorrow only we have. So that's why we are combining. I will combine both the things. Also I have given PDFs, video will be there that will guide you that how you can prepare. Okay, lots of things are there. Okay, so like this we will do with our IGP. Then the next thing that definitely in our IGP, one-to-one discussion will be there, and live feedback I will give after our mock interview at that moment only. Okay, it is not like that. Then the main thing is that the questions are not important, but how you can give the answers, that is important. So we will try to frame the questions in such a way that you can impress the panel. Then how to give direction to the interview, that we will learn through our IGP. Okay, after going to our mock interview. And the most powerful and important part, that expected questions as per previous trend. As you know already I have given selections, and the current trend. So whatever interview will be starting from 9th. Okay, so from that you will get the expected questions also. Okay, so no need to worry for anything. And last, after going through mock, one thing you will get, and that is your confidence, because the same thing we will do, we will practice, which will be there. Okay, so उससे आपका confidence build होगा. Who should join IGP? So those who are giving NTRO interview, you can join IGP. Okay, if main thing is that if this is your last attempt in government job, definitely strictly I will recommend to join IGP for NTRO. Then those who are giving their first interview of life, if you have got this call for the first time, then lots of things are there to learn. Definitely you can join IGP. Those who are serious aspirant, those who are working, you can join IGP. The main thing is that please don't waste the seat. Okay, it is most important. If you are joining IGP, then you are attending NTRO interview should be compulsory. Otherwise you will waste seat for another candidate, and definitely I will not get selection for that. Okay, now how to join IGP for NTRO? In the comment section you will get the link, just click on that. Okay, then this page will open, and here directly you can click on get this course. You can fill the details and you can join IGP. Okay, after purchasing. After joining, quickly what you will do, in the content you can see here one video is there. Okay, quick guide video. Okay, this 12 minutes video. So this is the complete guide about our mock interview. So watch that video, and also the given PDFs, technical HR and about NTRO, you can start preparation with this PDF. Okay, soon mock interview I will schedule as per your interview date. Now this segment is for those who missed our IGP because of limited number of seats. Okay, so how you can prepare for the interview, so watch that segment carefully. So first I will tell you the structure of interview of NTRO, how they will conduct the interview. So it will be HR plus technical interview. Okay, so both the things they will test your HR also, technical also. In HR, behavioral questions they can ask you, and psychological questions also they can ask you. Okay, it will be panel interview. How much panel? So you can expect somewhere around 4 to 6 members in the panel. Okay, and main thing is language. So language will be Hindi and English both. So if you are comfortable in Hindi, you can use Hindi. अगर English में comfortable हो तो English use कर सकते हो. ठीक है. Then after that duration. तो duration क्या रहेगा? So average duration you can expect somewhere around 15 to maximum 20 minutes. It may be 10 to 15 minutes also, ठीक है, but average we will take 15 to 20 minutes max, ठीक है. So this is the structure of NTRO scientist B interview. Then now the question is in HR what you will prepare. So about NTRO, ठीक है, so you should know that what NTRO do and everything. So detail about NTRO from internet you can collect, ठीक है. Then the other questions like about your why, about your gap. So if you have gap in your career, then they may ask from gap also, ठीक है. If you are doing job, then they may ask from job also, ठीक है. Other like strength and weakness, then why you want to join NTRO, other like this type of questions you can expect in HR round, okay. For technical, now see, basically they check your technical through two process already. First through gate score, obviously you have good gate score, that's why you got shortlisted for CBT. And second through CBT, they already check your technical knowledge, okay. Now they will check other things which is most important, other things like other concepts or other extra syllabus, okay. I will tell you what that. Before that, your project, that is most important. So if you complete your BE BTech, then they will ask you your BE BTech project. If you complete ME MTech, then they will ask you your ME MTech project, okay. So prepare your project thoroughly. Whatever hardware, software you have used in this project, you should know each and everything about that, okay, properly. Then syllabus. So whatever syllabus you studied for already CBT, so that same syllabus you need to prepare, okay. So here basically the two types will be there. They may ask you favorite subject also, and if they ask favorite subject, then you can prepare any 3 subjects, okay. And random questions also they can ask you, like suppose one question if they ask from communication, other questions from digital, like that randomly. It depends now on your interview date and panel, okay. See, interview structure is not fixed. Matlab for some candidate they may ask only project, for some candidate they may ask only technical, some candidate they ask project plus technical. So like this the interview will be there, ठीक है. Fix कुछ नहीं है इसमें. It is not like कि from 9th those who are having interview on 9th उनको technical plus HR पूछा तो 10-11 को भी same पूछेंगे, ऐसा नहीं है. It is not like that, ठीक है. It is completely random. So this thing only we practice in our mock interviews, okay. Then the extra, which is most important. Now first I will discuss for electronics communication. So for electronics communication, extra what you need to study. So radar, ठीक है. Then SATCOM, that is satellite communication, you will study. Then along with that cyber security related concept you will study, and computer network, ठीक है. So these are the 4 subject which is most important for you, you should study. And for computer science, so definitely cyber security will be there, ठीक है. Then artificial intelligence and machine learning, you will study. And other subject, that's it, ठीक है. AI, ML and cyber security. Computer network obviously it is your subject, so you will study by default, right. So like this you can prepare for the technical round. So I hope you got complete idea about the interview, and now you can start the preparation for the interview. If IGP registration are on, then I will recommend you to join IGP if you are seriously preparing for this recruitment, okay. All the best everyone for the interview.